Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well and staying safe during this time. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Like I said, thank you so much for checking me out. If you haven't done so, please make sure to hit that subscribe button just right below the video. Cool, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. And if you're returning, welcome back. Thanks again for your support. I truly do appreciate having you here.
SEC v. Ripple lawsuit. LBRY notes SEC contradictions in XRP and LBRY cases. The SEC v. LBRY judge also declined a request from the SEC to move back the trial date, which might mean the LBRY case will be decided before the SEC v. Ripple lawsuit. LBRY, a blockchain-based file sharing and payment network, is in the middle of a lawsuit with the Securities and Exchange Commission after being charged, in March 2021, for conducting an unregistered offering of digital asset securities. The financial watchdog claims LBRY sold digital asset securities called LBRY credits to numerous investors, including investors based in the United States, without registering with the SEC. LBRY allegedly received more than $11 million in US dollars, Bitcoin, and services from purchasers who participated in its offering. The lawsuit has garnered more attention recently as the SEC tried to include a ruling in the SEC v. LBRY's jurisprudence for the SEC v. Ripple. SEC tells court in LBRY case that Hinman's speech is personal opinion. With both cases ongoing, LBRY has gone to Twitter to let people know that the SEC just said in verbal argument in our case that they have not asserted that Bitcoin or Ethereum is not a security. They're saying the Hinman speech is his personal opinion. This has been a much talked about issue in the SEC v. Ripple case as the SEC spent much of the lawsuit arguing that the Hinman's 2018 speech on Ether was his personal opinion, but has now decided to call it public guidance once Magistrate Sarah Netburn ruled it is not privileged material. The motion for partial reconsideration and clarification of Magistrate Judge Netburn's DPP ruling was filed last week and a decision will be made soon. The original ruling was very well received by Ripple and XRP holders, who were accepted as amicus curiae in court. Attorney John Deaton confirmed the court order as a win and said the biggest victory wasn't the speech draft itself but the notes from meetings with third parties not associated with Ripple. Attorney Jeremy Hogan recently suspected that the SEC could be hiding something really bad and that would be the reason to do whatever it could, including contradicting itself over and over in the personal opinion versus public guidance duality, so that the documents wouldn't fall on Ripple's hands. On the SEC v. LBRY contradiction, Hogan joked, "Let me read your future. In a couple of months the SEC will say that it was not really his personal opinion but the opinion of the Division of Corp Finance." The SEC v. LBRY judge also declined a request from the SEC to move back the trial date, which might mean the LBRY case will be decided before the SEC v. Ripple lawsuit. Ripple reveals strategy to fight SEC's delay tactics, XRP price struggles to recover. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's lawsuit against Ripple Labs is a long battle, and the regulator has new delay tactics. Ripple's lawyers are working on a strategy to fight the SEC's tactics that delay the lawsuit against the payment giant. Ripple's team argues that the SEC's public enforcement actions on cryptocurrencies, filed before the lawsuit, should not be considered. Based on the latest SEC versus Ripple lawsuit developments, proponents believe that the regulator is employing delay tactics. Ripple's team of lawyers oppose the SEC's inappropriate request. SEC deploys delay tactics in lawsuit against Ripple. The lawsuit against payments giant Ripple has raised concerns among XRP holders. The U.S. regulatory watchdog has filed a source reply on February 23, 2022, regarding a motion to strike fair notice defense. Proponents have reviewed the new update on the lawsuit against the payments giant Ripple and believe that the regulator is employing delay tactics. Ripple's team of lawyers believe that the SEC is misleading the characterization of its prior enforcement actions on cryptocurrencies. On February 10, 2022, Ripple's team of lawyers filed a SOR reply on the SEC's motion to strike the fair notice affirmative defense. The payments giant's objective is to oppose the regulator's inappropriate request for judicial notice. Ripple's response to the SEC's action strikes an affirmative defense alleging Ripple's unregistered offers and sale of digital assets, not amounting to fraud. James Filan, a defense lawyer and Ripple proponent, recently tweeted about Ripple's response to the SEC's update on the lawsuit. Ripple's team of lawyers filed a response to the SEC's update within hours. The filing was expected to delay the outcome of the SEC versus Ripple case. However, the regulator attempted to introduce new material and an argument based on a pre-decided case. Proponents note that a trial would have offered a different outcome to the SEC versus LBRY case. FX Street analysts believe XRP has developed a bullish continuation pattern before breakout to $1. Binance Coin, XRP, and Solana plummet. What happened? Today, it's an absolute bloodbath in financial markets. Besides bonds, which are doing okay, stocks and cryptocurrencies are getting absolutely ravaged by the news of the Russian invasion of Ukraine yesterday evening. At noon ET, top 10 cryptocurrencies: Binance Coin, BNB, XRP 0.16%, and Solana, SOL 5.33%, had dropped 9.4%, 10.7% and 6.1%, respectively, over the past 24 hours. These moves reflect increasing concern around the higher correlation we've seen form between stocks and cryptocurrencies. Specifically, this correlation between more speculative, high-growth equities and most digital tokens is of concern to crypto investors overall. So what? Binance Coin, XRP, and Solana are three projects generally considered to be among the most stable long-term holdings a crypto investor can own. Many may have bought these tokens with the understanding that crypto is a low-correlation asset, or one that may move less in line with equities than other asset classes. Of late, this hypothesis has been tested, and it is starting to fall apart. Like other risk assets driven by incredible capital inflows in recent years, this macro environment is one that's inherently bad for growth stocks. For cryptocurrencies, one might argue that increased concern over financial sanctions may actually boost top tokens like XRP that are used for cross-border payments. No such view is being taken today by investors, many of whom are liquidating positions and asking questions later. Now what? For crypto investors looking at a sea of red today, it's really hard to say which perspective to take in terms of whether to add to one's positions or take some cream, if there is any, off the top. Profit-taking has been happening for some time and may continue to drive downside pressure for assets that have run up in incredible fashion through late 2021. Thus, the ultimate floor in this bear market in crypto is very difficult to see right now. Chinese police cracks down on $5 million Ripple pyramid scheme. Local authorities in China have continued to target crypto scams in the country. The Chinese police have infiltrated a massive crypto Ponzi scheme, arresting several suspects and confiscating digital assets. Multi-million-dollar crypto scam busted in China. Xinhua News Agency, a local news outlet, reports that the online pyramid scheme, which was called Ripple Union Pay Community, operated through a mobile app with the same name. The police first got wind of the app last year when the Economic Crime Investigation Team of the Pingchuan branch of the Baiyin City Public Security Bureau. The police claimed the app lured in users with the promise of earning XRP, the native token of the Ripple blockchain, by becoming a member. The scam also promised that users could earn community promotion awards, community operation awards, performance awards, among other rewards. The scammers also contacted new members through social media platforms like QQ and WeChat. At the time of the crackdown, the police reported that the platform had over 47,000 members across more than 30 Chinese provinces. The police in the Pingchuan branch of the Public Security Bureau of Baiyin City, Gansu Province arrested 7 suspects and recovered more than 8 million XRP worth about 126 million yuan, over $19 million. Computers, mobile phones, and other items involved in the case were also seized. China is leaving no stone unturned in its crypto crackdown. Chinese authorities and regulators have been massively enforcing the country's declaration of crypto trading and mining as illegal. In the past month alone, several actions have been taken to make owning and trading digital assets more difficult. The Chinese Supreme Court has included crypto transactions in the judicial interpretation of illegal ways to raise funds. The government has also dashed speculations that a recently introduced electricity tariff hike for crypto miners could mean that crypto was still legal. It clarified that the law was put in place to make sure there was punishment for illegal crypto mining operators. The crackdowns have hit the crypto industry in China hard. Speaking with CNBC recently, Du Jun, co-founder of Huobi, said the crypto exchange's exit from China cost the company 30% of its revenue.
I'm your guy. I will keep you posted. I'm your advocate. I'll be back on a daily basis, usually multiple times per day, with these videos to keep you updated with everything going on. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't done so, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Feel free to share any of my videos with your friends, family, social media, or anybody who may care to listen. Thanks so much for your continued support. I'm always here for you. I want to help you through this time. So thank you so much for continuing to choose me. Enjoy your day, stay safe, and I'll catch you again probably in a couple hours. Thanks, everybody. See you later.